First of all po, may update po ba sa Gilas Women Coaching?
Gilas Women, we have a short list already of about 6 to 7. I'm set to interview them this week. So the first set of more than 10, no? Actually a lot of coaches reached out to apply, all from outside the Philippines. Went through Bacon, Austria, who's a program that we signed in last January. And then his short list is the one I'm going to interview.
Mga local coaches nung wala
Wala
apply.
Wala naman din nag-apply, wala rin naman kaming panunsin.
From anong countries po yun?
Um,
Kahit ilan?
A few from Europe, merong mga US, Australia. We also have a few from East Asia and pati Southeast Asia meron.
Bakit po, ano po yung naging reason bakit foreign coaches or nakataon lang po?
It's really an upgrade, no? I mean, Coach Pat has been doing very well for the Gilas Women. So if we would have gone to a Filipino coach, we'd still be there. So parang nag-usap kami ni Coach Pat, no? We felt that we needed to bring Gilas to another level. It's been a while already since, we've gone further than what we've achieved in Southeast Asia. And we're hosting also the Asia Cup next year. And the reason for hosting that is strategic because it's the gateway to the 2028 Olympics. So the goal is to land in the top 4 of the Asia Cup. And if we are able to achieve that, then we go to the Olympic qualifier.
Can you talk about lang yung magiging marching orders dun sa magiging successor ni Coach Pato sa Gilas, especially with yung marating natin?
Well, obviously, yung pinaka-KPI natin or goal is really LA 2028. But we know that it's a short turnover, that's just 2 years to prepare. So if ever we don't make it to LA, dapat naka-foundation na siya to make it to Brisbane in 2022. So yun naman talaga yung dream natin ng mga Pilipino, no, is to bring back basketball to the Olympics. And I think another thing, no, na hindi ko na mention a while ago, why a foreign coach is because we believe, no, that adage reason why you get foreign coaches is because of the neutrality it brings across the different clubs, the different local clubs in the country. Medyo nahihirapan tayo minsan pag Pilipino yung coach kasi grupo-grupo, tapos naiintriga tayo sa selection ng players. At least naaalis natin yon pag foreigner yung coach and hopefully we really get the best players that we have.
Maybe at this point, may role po po ba si Coach Patrick?
Yes, so the last we spoke, no, he's set to continue with the federation to help with the women's grassroots program specifically. I think Coach Pat has a good eye for talent, so he will be assisting Coach Norman Blacklock.
Kailan po i-announce or kailan ma-identify yung coach na Gilas?
Ang target namin is mid-May. Yeah.